Profile of Phiona Nyamutoro. Tusaze okuleetera omanye ekibimukwatako nga baggye ku ssomero lya Seeta Parents Primary School esangwa Seeta Mukono. Ono yayonedde kikyali era biki byazayitamu n'ebiki byasinga okulimirwa. Kale kwe ali ku mukono guno tukuletedde Phiona Nyamutoro mukazi wa Kenzo.
It's usually very challenging when you meet a group of very young people because you're always wondering what exactly should I tell them. As you're seated there, all of you have 100 questions in your heads, don't you? Yes. And all of you have an expectation of what you think I should talk about. Isn't it that way? Yes. So instead of coming to stand here, I think the head teacher made a very elaborate speech that encompasses everything we would love to emphasize to you as leaders. I've been thinking to myself that instead of just building onto those words, why don't we make this moment more impactful by having an interactive session? Not by inspiration, it is by appointment. His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, appointed me to be a minister in his cabinet. Maybe what I can say is what has always inspired me to be a leader, because it is from leadership that I was identified to be a minister, not so. I have always wanted to find solutions to the challenges that we have in society. So whenever I see any challenges anywhere, in my community, in my surrounding, I am always very passionate about how we can make the situation better. And that has always driven me for elective politics, that has always driven me to offer myself to be a leader. And I have been a leader right from baby class. I was a pencil collector in baby class. I was a class monitor in primary 1. I was a staff room prefect in primary 3. I was head girl in primary 6. And I was head prefect in primary 7. I went on to secondary. I was assistant head girl in my O-level. And then I was head girl again in my A-level. When I joined university, I became my class coordinator in year 1. And then I became a guild representative council for my school. And then I became vice guild president of Makerere University. And then I joined the National Youth Council representing my district, Nebi. And then I ran for National Youth Member of Parliament and now Minister for Mineral Development. Be God-fearing. Because the Bible says that the fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. Is the beginning of wisdom. When you fear God, then God will give you the wisdom, He'll give you the knowledge and understanding. One, to always make the right decisions, to always differentiate wrong from right, and to always stand strong. On top of being God-fearing, you should always set out your dreams and focus on achieving them. No matter how challenging it might be to get there, there is no dream that is too big for you to achieve, okay? So always know that this is what I want in life. Believe in yourself, have the confidence, work on achieving it, and you will definitely get there, my dear. You'll even be a much stronger woman than I am. It is an elective position. I was voted by youth leaders across the country 146 districts in the country. Members of the National Youth Council voted me to be their representative. To become minister, I was appointed by the president. Best subjects in primary school was SST. Was it so obvious? But then when I moved on, I developed more love and passion for economics. But in primary school, it was SST. My best musician is Kenzo. Spoiled of choice when it comes to his songs. I guess most of his songs are my favorites.
Okay, please. This is the last person, the one deciding. Thank you very much. Please, the rest, let's go back. Let's go back. We don't sign the papers.
Your diary is okay.
The rest, let's go back and sit, please. Go back and sit.
The papers, no?
Let's go back and sit. Go back and sit.
Always make sure that you are disciplined in whatever you do. The second thing that should always be at the back of your mind is that there are no shortcuts to success. It is purely hard work, and hard work. If you do not put in the hard work, you will not become an academic giant. You will not achieve the dreams that you want to. You will not become who you want to become. I forgot to mention that I was an academic giant in school myself. All through school, I was always the best, and I even graduated with a first-class degree. So, my dear young girls and boys, I want to encourage you that the only platform you have for a better future tomorrow is a good education. You that attend Seeta Parents are even lucky that your parents can afford to put you in a school with good facilities, good teachers, a good environment. So you have no excuse whatsoever not to succeed in life. Their hope as parents is in you, and everything you do today will determine whether you appreciate the sweat that they are tirelessly putting to see you succeed tomorrow. I'm very confident that the future members of parliament, the future ministers, the future engineers, the future doctors are the ones I'm speaking to here, right? In a few years from today, some of you will be coming back to Seeta Parents to inspire fellow pupils here and tell them I went to Seeta Parents and now I am here. You can also become the same. So it would be my utmost pride to get to know that a few years from now, a pupil from Seeta Parents is succeeding in this sector, is being earmarked or highlighted as one of the most successful people in the country that is recognizable. I would be so overjoyed to get to meet you tomorrow in the corridors of a hospital at a project of government, and you introduce yourself and say, I'm engineer so and so, I met you at Seeta Parents School. Isn't that the goal? Isn't that where we are headed? So I want to thank the good Lord for all of you and bless you and say, may He give you wisdom, may He give you favor, may He give you knowledge and understanding, not just through Seeta Parents, but as you elevate in life, may His grace never depart from you. Thank you so much for having me. I see